In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to draw a parabola using the rectangular method in AutoCAD. Let's get started. First, click the line command located on the top bar. Draw a rectangle by creating a line, 150 mm as its length and 100 mm as its width. Next, divide the vertical line into 6 equal parts. Type div, then enter to activate the divide command. Select the vertical line and type 6 when prompted. Similarly, divide the horizontal line into 12 equal parts. Now mirror these points across both the horizontal and vertical axes. Type MI, press enter, then highlight the points. Choose the axis you want to reflect them on, and press enter. To make this easier, open OSnap and ensure that midpoint is checked. Next, draw a line dividing the rectangle in half horizontally. Now, draw lines from the center to each point on the right-hand side. Using the line command, start from the center and extend it to each point on the right. Mirror these diagonal lines onto the left side. Type MI, press enter. Select the diagonal lines and choose the vertical axis as your mirror line, and press enter. Next, extend lines from each point on the horizontal division to the corresponding point on the vertical division. For example, the line at point 5 on the horizontal should extend to line 5 on the vertical. To make this easier, draw a vertical line going up at one point. Use the copy command to duplicate it to each point. Then, select the line, type EX, press enter, and extend it to the corresponding vertical line. Repeat this for each point. After extending all the lines, mirror them to the other side. Type MI, press enter, then select the vertical lines, and choose the central vertical axis, and press enter. To complete the drawing, we need to connect each point. Find the spline command or type SPL, press enter, and connect all the intersection points where the lines meet. Click each point in sequence to form a smooth curve. After connecting all the points, press enter to complete the spline command. And there you have it, a parabola using the rectangular method on AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more CAD tips and tricks, and leave any questions in the comments below. Goodbye, and see you next time.